Peace. Assalamu alaikum. This is Lorena. I have been busy. I have been really, really busy getting ready for you guys. This is the last week of the fall and summer, the spring and summer products. Next week is the new products, and we have a dynamic lineup, just dynamic. I need help, okay? I need help. I cannot service all of Detroit, 700,000 people, plus Metro Detroit. I can't do it. I can't do it by myself. I need people to help me spread the Scentsy love, okay? To fill the world with Scentsy fragrance. What? Come on now. Come on. Help me. Help me out. Help me out. I told y'all at the beginning of this month, I was challenging myself to finally go to a realtor's office. I did it. I did it yesterday, and it worked out great. It worked out great. Do you know the housing market is doing really well right now? People are selling houses. People are buying houses. So realtors, they really should give a gift to the people who buy a house. I mean, why not? Why give them a bouquet of flowers that's going to be dead? Give them something that they can use, that they'll really remember you. So if you are a realtor, or you are a person that services people and you want to give them a nice gift because they're supporting your business, Scentsy is perfect. So I went to this real estate office yesterday, and I showed her some options that I could do for her and the realtors. And she says she's going to set up a meeting for me to come in and talk to all of the realtors for them to purchase gifts for people who are buying a property with them, right? So this is the counter clean and the dish soap, and I threw a car bar in there. So if they like apple, this is cider milk, okay? Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is why I joined Scentsy in the first place, to make gift sets. I just love that. I love that. And I did my business card on there, of course. And we have what we call Scentsy Club. So once the people purchase, then they can go to Scentsy Club to reorder whatever they need at a discount, 10% off. And of course, if you're the business person, if you want to add your literature to this, or your business card or whatever, you're welcome to do that. Then, another one I did, this is a mini warmer with a bar, and this is peppermint dreams that I put in there for the bar. And this is a peppermint flavored, peppermint scented counter clean and dish soap. Is that cute? Cute, 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 right? Last but not least, the full-size warmer. It says welcome home. So bless this home. We have some that welcome home, and like that, but not home sweet home and whatever. But this one here says bless this home, and it's 3 bars in there. So whatever your price range is, I can do something for you, so you can do a thank you for your customers. But in the meantime, I need some help. If you're interested in making money for this fall, you need to contact me so I can help you get started. And it really, if you're a hustler, it won't cost you anything. All you have to do is just sell some product, use your host credit, and that'll help pay for your kit. It'll be either a discount or free. All right? $200 party, your $200 in orders, your kit will be $39. The $500 in orders, your kit will be free. It'll just be at a discount, and then you still have half price and free stuff. So, look, it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. Beautiful catalog. If you want to be a host, let me know. I'll send you a Share the Love kit with the new catalog in it, along with some samples for people, for you to share with people. And yeah, all right. That's all I wanted to tell you guys. Have a great day. Peace. Assalamu alaikum.